Once we've covered the basics, it's time to get started with real programming. In Unit 2, we'll cover procedural programming. Procedural programming is the basic approach to code, writing sequences of commands that are run by the computer in a specified order. We'll start by talking about variables. Variables are how computer programs store information to be manipulated. We can use variables to store information from numbers to names to pictures to songs to pretty much anything else you can imagine. The key concept here will be that variables have values. A variable is the name of some piece of information, while a value is the information itself. For example, today's date would be a variable. It doesn't matter what today is. The question, what is the value of today's date, always makes sense. A value, in turn, would be September 12th. The value can change, but the variable does not. Then we'll talk about operators, starting with logical operators. Logical operators are operators that check if certain things are true or false. For example, the statement, "Today is September 12th," is either true or false, and is an operator that compares equality. We have logical operators to compare equality or check if certain values are greater or less than others. We also have logical operators that combine the results of other logical operators. For example, "Today is September 12th and it's raining" is a statement that is true or false. True if both the date and the weather are accurate, and false if either is inaccurate. Then we'll talk about mathematical operators. A lot of programming deals with numbers, so we have operators that deal with addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and remainders. Depending on the language, there might be others as well. If you don't care for math though, don't worry. You don't really need any math knowledge beyond arithmetic to succeed in this material. To be honest, I never personally understood a lot of mathematics until I learned computing. Computing takes a lot of the confusing things in math and makes them more clear.